All right, YouTube, following Amtrak 02, now we have V07 coming back east now with the UP 5013 in the lead. Eastbound here at Suffolk. Huh? Thank you. He's got the UP 5013 up front this time. They have a very friendly crew on this train. As I said earlier, there was a female conductor and a male engineer. The lady was very nice and so was the man. Crew was very nice, and of course 820 passed these guys earlier with one of my friends up there, and 820 was hauling his butt. So had a buddy on that train, and Amtrak safely went east. He had the diversion clear from 1 to 2 to get around V07, which is on main number 2, and he's following Amtrak east. So V07E, V07-05 coming east now with the UP 5013 in the lead. We're laying back and we're getting him. Here we go. And he's moving a little bit slow tonight, coming off that stop. Love that horn. Lights out, take it, coming down, crossing is clear, protected. The Indy horses are singing now.
V07 has a clear Suffolk. Main 2 east, out.
V07-05 going in. Let's go! Really good horn show there from V07. I love it. And here comes the train. Here we go. Now that's what I'm talking about, moving the economy. Norfolk Southern does it at its finest. Well, there you have it, V07-05 going east now. The UK-70M up front with a very, very nice, I think it was a K3LA up front. And of course the 4055. Hang on 1 second, I'll get the car count. Alright, YouTube, 76 cars on that train. Can't be any happier with that. Alright, I think that's all calling for me for tonight. Alright, thanks for watching.